Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall learn division algorithm for polynomials. So let us learn how to divide the polynomials by using long division method. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. To solve this division algorithm, first you have to take the leading term of this dividend and you have to take the leading term of the divisor. So both these terms you have to divide. So what is the leading term of this dividend? 24 x square. And what is the leading term of the divisor? 2x. Now you have to divide this. 24 upon 2 is 12 and this is degree 2 and this is degree 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore you have to write here this variable as x as it is and degree is 1. So why you have written this degree 1? 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the 12x as first term of the quotient. So this you have to write here 12x. Next what you have to do, you have to multiply this 12x multiplied by 2x and 12x multiplied by 1. Let me write here 12x multiplied by 2x, 12x multiplied by 1. Now you have to multiply this. 12 into 2 is 24 and x into x is x raised power 2. So here the degree is 1, here also degree 1. So when you are multiplying the term, no, that time you have to add the degree. So 1 plus 1 is 2. When you divide these terms, no, that time you have to subtract the degree of the variable. Then 12x into 1 is 12x. So this 24x square and 2x, where you have to write? You have to write here. So this 24x square you have to write below 24x square. And this 12x, where you have to write? Here, plus 12x. So why you have to write here only? Because where there is like term, no, there only you have to write. So this is x square and this is x square. Both are like term and this is x, this is x. So these are also like term. So variable is same x and degree also same 1 1. So that's why you have to write here. Then you have to change the sign. This is plus, therefore you have to write here minus sign. So this is plus, therefore you have to write here minus. This is plus 4. 2 minus 12. So let me write here 2 minus 12 is how much? Minus 10. So minus 10 you have to write, minus 10 you have to write here minus 10 and this is x. Don't write 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12 if you write, then you will get the answer 14. So this is incorrect. So this you have to write 2 minus 12. So this sign you have to take. 2 minus 12 is minus 10 and this 24 minus 24. So answer is 0. If it is 0, then no need to write anything here. So just you cancel it. Now you have to stop and see whether remainder you got 0, what degree is less than the divisor. So here the remainder is, we didn't got the 0 and degree is also not less than this. So that's why you have to continue this process. So again you have to repeat this process division. So minus 10x divided by 2x. So here the first term of this new dividend is minus 10x. So this you have to take and first term of divisor you have to take. Now you have to divide this both. Minus 10 upon 2 is how much? Minus 5. And this is degree 1. This is also degree 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 means no need to write any alphabetic letter or variables. Simply you write minus 5. So this minus 5 is the second term of the quotient. So this you have to write here. And then you have to multiply this. Minus 5 into 2x and then minus 5 into 1. Let me write here. So minus 5 into 2x and minus 5 multiplied by 1. So minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. So only 1x. So minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. So this minus 10x and minus 5 you have to write here. So minus 10x where you will write? So below minus 10x because these x are like term. So minus 10x and this is minus 5. So next you have to change the sign. This is minus, therefore you have to write plus. So this is minus, therefore you have to write plus. So plus 4, and this is plus 5. Plus 5. Answer is 9. So therefore you have to write 9. Don't write 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. If you write this, then it is incorrect. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And this is minus 10 plus 10. So answer is 0. If it is 0, no need to write anything here. Just you cancel it. Now you have to stop and see whether you got the remainder as 0. So we didn't got the remainder as 0. And then next you have to see the degree of this. So here the degree of 9x is raised to power 0, and here degree is 1. So here degree is less than this. So that's why procedure stop. So this is how you have to solve this division algorithm for polynomials. Let us solve one more question. So this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So what is the leading term of this dividend? 3x cube, and leading term of the divisor is x square. So both this term x square and 3x cube you have to divide now. 3x cube divided by x square. So 3 upon 1 is 3, and this is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So therefore you have to write just x. So this is the first term of the quotient. So this you have to write here. So 3x. Now you have to multiply this. 3x multiplied by x square, 3x multiplied by 2x, and 3x multiplied by 1. Let me write here 3x multiplied by x square, 3x multiplied by 2x, and 3x multiplied by 1. So you have to multiply 3 times because here 3 terms are there, x square, 2x, and 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, and this is x into x square. So x raised power 3. So this is degree 1 and this is degree 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. When you multiply, that time you have to add the degree. When you divide the terms, that time you have to subtract the degree. So this you have to remember. So 3 into 2 is how much? 6, and this is x into x, x square. So degree 1, 1. So that's why you have to add the degree. And this 3 into 1 is 3, and this is x. So all this where you have to write? Here. So before writing you have to take care. Where there are like term now, there only you have to write. So this 3x cube where you will write? Here you have to write. Don't write here. So 3x cube, and this plus 6x square where you will write? Here. Plus 6x square, and this is plus 3x. Plus 3x. Now you have to change the sign. So this is plus, therefore you have to write here minus. This is plus, therefore you have to write minus. This is plus, you have to write minus. So this is plus 5. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Answer is minus 1. So you have to write here minus 1x. This is 1 and this is minus 6. 1 minus 6. Answer is minus 5. Don't take 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is incorrect to write. So this you have to write. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So minus 5, and this x square you have to write as it is. This 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. So answer is 0. 0 means you have to cancel it. Now you have to stop and see whether you got the remainder as 0. Here remainder we did not got 0. We got the remainder as minus 5x square minus 1x plus 5. And then second you have to see degree. Here the degree is 2 and here degree is 2. So we cannot stop the procedure here because here degree you should get less than this. Here we got the degree as 2. So further you have to continue this process of division. So what is the leading term of this new dividend now? Minus 5x square. So this minus 5 square and this minus 5x square and this x square you have to divide now. So minus 5x square divided by x square. So minus 5 divided by 1 is minus 5, and this degree is 2, this is also degree 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 means no need to write any variables, just you write minus 5. So this is minus 5, and then you have to multiply this minus 5 into x square, minus 5 into x square, minus 5 into 2x, minus 5 into 1, minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. This minus 5 into 2x is minus 10x. This minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now you have to write this minus 5x square, you have to write here. So minus 5x square, this is minus 10x, and this is minus 5. So you have to change the sign. This is minus, therefore you have to write plus. This is minus, therefore you have to write plus. This is minus, therefore you have to write plus. Plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10, and this is minus 1, and this is plus 10. How much? Plus 9. 9x. So this is plus 10. This is minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. Answer is 0. 0 means no need to write anything, just you have to cancel it. Now you have to compare the degree of this. So we got the new remainder as 9x plus 10. So we didn't got any remainder as 0. And then second you have to see the degree. So degree of the first term of this new dividend is, degree of this first term of the new dividend is 1, and here also here 2. So here the degree is less than this. So that's why procedure stops here.